Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to download Canvas student app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your app store for iOS users, and then tap on the search icon on the bottom right corner of the screen, and then on the search bar type in Canvas student and then hit on search. Now once it loads, look for an app icon like this on your screen and then tap on it, and now on tapping it you'll be getting a get button. Simply tap on that and then follow the on-screen instructions to successfully download the app for your iOS device. Now if you are using an Android device, what you need to do is head over and open up your Play Store app, and then on the top of the search bar type in Canvas student. Now among the search list, look for the app icon like this on your screen and then tap on it, and once that's done, all you gotta do is tap on install and then follow the on-screen instructions to successfully download the app. So these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.